Yo, what up, guys? So we're here in LA visiting our friend Gabe. About to hit up this place called California Donuts. This place is known for their crazy donuts, so check this out. So we just hit up California Donuts, aka Dank AF. I got the pumpkin spice, right for fall. Still got some left?
Oh yeah.
How is it?
Incredulous.
Hey, horchata.
So many cool cities.
Wait, you got any left? Did you crush it?
I crushed it.
He killed it.
That's how good it is. California Donuts, once again, Koreatown. Check that place now.
It'll be fun.
Boy. God.
Don't blame me. They're stealing your product.
It's not bad, actually. Pretty good.
Right there and like make a wish, whatever, and they're gonna burn it, and the incense of it down, and believe me, it'll come true. I felt it. I just did it right now.
It's very nice.
Thank you very much for that positivity. So just walking around LA Chinatown, just found this place that has French sandwiches and food to go. So didn't look it up. Let's see what they have.
That was the spot we were looking for. The food there is so delicious. We keep going back 5 stars.
It's like sweet spicy.
Me and my family, like my entire family.
I got the French sandwich over there, and it was okay. It wasn't that great. And then you just saw Gabe got the noodles, and the food was okay, just a random spot. But we're going on to the next spot now. So we just got to Boomtown Brewery. About to get a beer after this food that we just had. Check out this dope mural right here. It's that one cartoonist dude. He did this whole wall. It's legit so sick. Check that out. Yee! So first up on the menu, we got that Limelight Northwest Ipa. So we're about to give that a shot real quick. It's kind of loud in here, so if you can't hear me, that's why. But traditional. I mean, it tastes like a regular IPA, kind of bittery. I'm so used to them by now. It's just kind of like drinking another one, but not bad. It's not bad. All right, so let's get on number 2. Number 2 is called Nut Job or Nut Job. It's the West Coast IPA. So let's try that one out. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a little bit, of course, lighter than the regular IPA, but not as hoppy or as bittery, but still pretty good. And what'd you get, man?
Oh, me? Oh, I got this here facelift IPA. It's the bee's knees.
Scottish ale. This one's kind of winey. This one tastes kind of like
sour?
It tastes kind of like a sour. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's not bad.
Yeah,
Try it.
label. And honestly, probably not a good idea.
It's not bad. Alright, so that last beer that I had was the stout at the other brewery, but I needed some juice on my phone. That one was definitely the best one out of all the 4 that I had. But we just walked over to another brewery, Angel City Brewery, and this place is pretty dope. It's got like beers, taco trucks, they're like selling merchandise. Look at this, I got the legend here. Just got another double IPA here at Angel City Brewing. My homie Gabe got another flight. It's a pretty chill spot. Alright, so we just hit up that Angel City Brewing. You can see that right behind us. They had the taco truck and everything. The beers were okay. I'm not gonna lie, the beers were okay. Low alcohol percentage. Gabe, what do you think about the beers, bro?
Less than average.
Less than average. Less than average. Not bad, but you know, I don't know if I'd personally come back. And I'm just being honest with you guys. It was okay. Not the best I've had. All right, so we were just walking and now we're in Little Tokyo, LA. And this place is vibrant, it's colorful, there's lots of people, there's like lots of food, lots of shopping, and we're just kind of walking through and there's just like a lot of energy here, guys. It's so sick. Look at this. And the original, and 3. Original Super Smash Bros. Who wants to get Mario? That is sick.
Upside down. It's upside down. Okay.
What is this shit?
So we just came across a Me Too protest. This is crazy. Check this out.
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Kavanaugh has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Racist, sexist, anti-gay! Kavanaugh, go away!
Right next to the Me Too protest, there's like a Mexican celebration with a bunch of food vendors. What the hell is going on?
Take that bite, baby.
Hey, they're almost like they're wrapped in a banana leaf.
echan el ritmo!
I've never been so excited to be let down. Alright, so we just got the One Kok Restaurant. And this place has some interesting reviews. Check them out for yourself. But the reviews were so interesting, we decided to come here and check it out for ourselves. So we'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so we just got our food. Check this out. That's the fried crispy meat.
No, you noticed something missing.
What do you guys think about One Kok?
I want to go back to San Diego. The best, worst restaurant I've ever had.
So that concludes our day in LA today. It was very interesting. Got to see a lot of different kinds of things. But it was an awesome day.